Hello everyone, and today I'll be teaching you how to make a s'mores pie. You'll need a Keebler Ready crust, 6 Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, 3 Hershey's bars, and about half a bag of jet puffed marshmallows. Start by opening up the crust. Also set the oven to 350 degrees. And you'll want to save this because this is the lid. Now open up all 3 of the Hershey's bars. Once you have opened all 3 up, break them all up into the individual rectangles. Now take the Reese's and squish them like this. And then place them in the pie crust. Once you have squished all of the Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, spread all of the chocolates out. And try to make it as even as possible. Once you are done spreading everything out, add the marshmallows. Try to fit as many marshmallows as you can. And make sure that all of the marshmallows are touching the chocolate. When the chocolate melts, you want it to stick to the marshmallows. Now put in the oven for 6 minutes. Take out of the oven and then turn the oven on broil low. Then put in the oven for about 1.5 minutes. Enjoy. Thank you everyone so much for watching. If you liked the video, press that like button. And if you're looking for more, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.